Here's how I spent my 24-hour stay in Barcelona, Spain. We arrived at the hotel at 10 a.m. and sobrang pagod nga namin kaya we decided to sleep first bago lumabas. Sa Europe, tuwing summer, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. yung sunset kaya we had time. Lumabas kami ng 3 p.m. and sabi namin maglalakad-lakad muna kami. We first took photos at Gaudi's masterpieces. Alam niyo ba na si Antoni Gaudi is one of the greatest architects in history? Namatay siya noong 1926 kasi nasagasaan siya ng tren dito mismo sa Barcelona. He died 100 years ago but his designs are still one of the greatest tourist destinations dito sa Spain. Grabe, ang galing. Marami nga sa mga gawa niya itinaguri ang UNESCO World Heritage Site. At talagang nakikita natin to ngayon, guys. Kaharap natin siya. How amazing is that? Isa pang fun fact, alam niyo ba na ang Zara, kung saan tayo madalas bumili ng damit, is founded here in Spain. Tapos, may tax refund pa dito kaya we never miss a chance of shopping here in Spain. And of course, we got tired of shopping. So after that, we decided to go grab our late lunch. We had to check out this place called El Nacional, which is full of different restaurants na may tapas, ham, wines, ice cream, and a lot more. Maganda siya, it looks expensive. Masyado kaming gutom para kumain dito, kaya lumabas na kami agad. Nagugutom na nga ako, kaya nakasimangot na ako dito. Of course, umorder kami ng seafood paella at sangria. This restaurant is called Segafredo. The waiters were mostly from India and Philippines, and we had a good time. We enjoyed the food, good drinks, and good service. After that, it's time for Sagrada. It was a few stations away kung saan kami kumain, and we decided to spend the rest of the day dito sa Sagrada. And nadaanan nga natin si Yamal. Nag-hi muna ako sa champions ng World Cup. I will never get tired of looking at this place, spending time here, walking around. Talagang sobrang majestic niya. This basilica is 144 years old now, and it remains the most famous unfinished architectural masterpiece in the world. We sat and spent the rest of the day here eating churros, watching the sunset before we went back to our hotel. Salamat guys for joining me. Until our next one!